Class 2.
Where's Max?
About 50 behind us. Alright, this wave. Oh my god. Great. What the hell is that?
Wow.
The seal. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, whoa. Sea lion.
Oh, okay.
They are very small. Except these are bigger. Way bigger.
I was gonna say that's pretty big.
These are called kayak capsizing sea lions.
You know, the funny thing is that the sea lions have been done for about a month and a half because we have, as you can see, we have the arches full of sand. So that lets people walk in there and get too close to the sea lion colony. They don't like that. They've been gone for almost 2 months when they should have started leaving here in August. I haven't seen one in almost 2 months.
Yay.
I feel special then.
Hey, Meme.
Hey, me! Wow! Whoa! That's class 2!
Ooh.
Right here is called White Red. It's internationally known arch of Los Cabos.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
Oh, big wave.
So, you guys want pictures right here? How are you guys with the pictures? You want a
Good.
picture
Yeah.
over here?
Yes, please.
All right, where the camera is on the drive.
Okay, hold on. I got one here.
Nice.
Meme, how you doing? It's the movie.
I don't want to stop.
You're doing well.